Sangrongsalo Hapana International Exhibition Center Kaisa Panda Bisingtwi launch Khlaijakha State Innovation Mission. Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof. Manik Saha Union Minister Jitendra Singh no Khobwi Kubun Adongrok. Kaisa Panda Bisingtwi Ashla Hapana International Exhibition Center Chengjakha TNS. Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof. Manik Saha Union Minister Jitendra Singh ni Manjakmungo Khlaijakha inauguration. Ashla Panda Tripura Hawang de di hamni Bisingtwi Kaisa most signature Khlaijakha. Manjakha Niti Ayog ni Vice Chairman Shumon Beri Information ni Chief Secretary Jitendra Singh Tangfang Kiran Gitano Khobwi Kubun Adongrok. Ashani Panda Kok Sanar Thenga Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof. Manik Saha Dalbidal Koglam Shawikna Roka Abahaginu Devushaka full signature state ni liso Hakotoni Bisingtwi Tripura third position Otongo. Kerala ni Yaglo Tripura Unka Hakotoni Bisingtwi Rabar Kaithani second position o. Surong Mongde Shakam ni Bagaibo Dalbidal infrastructure Shamsakha.
Positioning Tripura as a regional hub of innovation. Innovation thrives in an enabling environment. I am proud to state that Tripura emerged as the top performing state in the country in compliance reduction and regulatory simplification exercise in 2025, for which our Honorable Prime Minister has given us, he has congratulated us. And many other states are learning from the reform strategy adopted by Tripura state. I had the privilege of chairing two task forces set up by the Ministry of Donor for investment promotion and development of infrastructure and connectivity. We have submitted the reports to the Ministry of Donor. I would request our Honorable Vice Chairman Niti Ayog to help us in implementation of the recommendation of the two task forces. Investors and entrepreneurs have displayed strong faith in the transparent, efficient and progressive administration in Tripura state. You will be glad to know that we have received investment proposal of more than rupees 15,000 crore in only in 1 year. Total 91 investment projects worth rupees 5,022 crores have been grounded already. Private investment is supplementing the public investment for rapid socio-economic growth of the state. We have registered double-digit growth of state GDP over the past several years. My previous speaker also mentioned about that. Our per capita income is almost at par with the national level. Niti Ayog has declared Tripura as front-runner state in the implementation of sustainable development goals, for which I should give thanks our Honorable Vice Chairman of Niti Ayog. The aspirational district Dholai has consistently ranked at amongst the top in the country. Saturation of 6 key performance indicators of Samarnata Obhijan in Ganganagar Aspirational Block has been awarded Prime Minister Award for Administrative Excellence in 2025. I am sure that the State Innovation Mission will play important role in accelerating the development of state in realizing the goal of Viksit Tripura and Viksit Bharat. Friends, innovation is not merely about technology. It is about transforming governance, empowering youth, honoring tradition, and building sustainable prosperity. The State Innovation Mission, Tripura, is a commitment to nurture ideas, a commitment to empower entrepreneurs, a commitment to bridge the local with the global. Once again, I would like to thank the team of Niti Ayog, led by our Honorable Vice Chairman Shumon Beriji, for supporting Tripura in establishment of State Innovation Mission and charting our journey to build new Tripura. I also thank our Honorable Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Science and Technology, who just left the stage. And with this, I conclude my speech. Joy Hind, Joy Tripura, Joy Ma Tripura Sundari, Bharat Mata Ki Joy.
Abai kena Ashley Panda kok sanani thange hakotoni Union Minister Jitendra Singh Tripura Hasteni State Innovation Mission Chengnani bagai hakotoni Mantri Okra Narendra Modi bai talbil chamong Khlaijakha hanai.
Honorable Shri Bisingtwi Singh Roy, Minister for IT, Finance, Planning and Coordination, Chief Secretary Shri Jitendra Singh, Shri Rajiv Kumar Sen, the IT Secretary Mr. Kiran. I can see lots of startups over here, students, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I have to congratulate you all, in fact congratulate the government of Tripura for having taken this initiative. As was being rightly mentioned, the first ever State Innovation Commission in India. So that itself, or State Innovation Mission I would say, to put it appropriately, the SIL. So you have taken a lead and you have also shown the way to the other states and the union territories of India. And I am sure this journey beginning from the possibly one of the most eastern parts of India will gradually travel in the other directions as well. Atal Innovation Mission, as you all know, was the result of an idea which was given by none less than Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. And most of us were not familiar with this because this is a concept which is alien to the government circles. We never had something like this, though we had a planning commission in place which later on got to be known as Niti Aayog. But this AIM or Atal Innovation Mission was entirely novel and a new concept and a new experiment. And many of us would not have thought how would it shape up in the years to come. But now looking back 7-8 years, we can see the miraculous outcomes that have happened. It is this mission, and the credit goes to Mr. Manik, Dr. Sarswat, and the entire team. At the outset, they rolled out Atal Tinkering Labs, I think to the extent of 10,000. And it became so popular. Being a public representative, I had the opportunity to travel different parts of the country. I lead 3 states every week and also my own constituency. I would find even in the remotest small towns, students coming over to me, school teachers coming over to me, asking me whether we could project their demand to have an Atal Tinkering Lab in their school. And it was not only government schools, even private schools. And I am glad and I must compliment the Niti Aayog, the chairman and the members. Very recently they came out with the decision to have 50,000. When you have 50,000 more Atal Tinkering Labs, I am sure you will be covering each and every district of the country. And you will have more than one in each district. And therefore you could actually satiate the urge of all these youngsters sitting over here. Only recently, Dr. Bagla is not here, couldn't make it. He had organized a meeting of the selected boys and girls from different Atal Tinkering Labs all over the country. And it was amazing to listen to these bright young children, the kind of ideas they came up with. And therefore, from that point of view, I think this State Innovation Mission guided by the National Innovation Mission happening for the first time from the capital of Agartala is also a vindication of what Prime Minister Modi keeps reiterating, the double engine effect. So, the engine which was switched on by Prime Minister Modi has been put on top gear by Professor Saha. And I am sure the other states would also be inspired.
Ashley Pandani Bisingtwi Kaisa Startup Exhibition Khlaijakha aro kaini chiba katal model Jakha. Abai keno ashlo kabakulo korona 5 months Manik Moklok Khlaijakha. Raja Khorang Nishimi pronamni koktum Chini Khorang.